Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade food that you can get in your put in your freezer and take out for whenever you want it. And today we are making
Tandoori Masala chicken.
Tandoori Masala chicken that you can make in all different ways. Now you might notice that I'm not by myself. I have the lovely Mel from Spice Pots. Mel, you have been doing a few videos with me lately. This is one of the last. And for anybody, just in case, I'm sure you all know about this, but just in case you haven't seen one of these videos, tell us about your spice pots now.
So they are just simply blended spices, and it's a shortcut to make delicious, healthy curries. We've done all the complicated blending, so it's foolproof, lovely curries and Indian-inspired food every time.
Perfect, thank you. And I think they're great. I found Mel at a fair last year, and I just said, oh my god, we could batch these so easy, because that's what I want. I don't want rows and rows of spices that I have to take a little bit out of each. I want someone that has done the job for me.
No, I don't ever use individual spices anymore.
So guys, this is going to be a dish that you can do in the barbecue. But not just that, because we live in the UK, you're not exactly going to get a barbecue every weekend. So you can actually have them as an evening meal. So if we were to have this as an evening meal, what else would we have it with?
So I would either have it on a big salad, so make a huge big salad and chop it up in a chicken salad, or you could cook some rice with it and have it with a side salad as well. You could chop it up, stick it in a pita bread, all sorts of different things.
Brilliant. Serve it with chips for the kids, curry and chips, bit of rice. Excellent. So you're going to make the sauce.
The marinade,
and what I'm going to do is for any of you that have seen my Hasselback recipe, I am just Hasselbacking my chicken. Okay, just scoring it along the top, and the reason we're doing that is just to really get more flavour in, isn't it?
And it cooks a wee bit quicker if you do it on the barbecue as well. Are we doubling this one?
And we're doubling up, because in true Batch Lady style, why make one when you can make two? Remember, if you're making two, it probably takes about 3 minutes longer, so you may as well. You're dirtying a chopping board, you're getting all your ingredients out, you may as well double up. Now,
so I've done 10 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 6 teaspoons of Tandoori Masala blend, a good squeeze of lemon juice, and we also need some salt, and that is it. So it's pretty straightforward.
Tiny bit of salt.
So there we go.
Perfect. And remember, you will get the main.
I keep getting told off for making a noise. I'm trying not to make a noise with the bowl.
You will get the main recipe on my website, www.batchlady.com. Please remember, it is all free. Just log on, and each time a new recipe comes up, it will pop up in your inbox if you would like it. So you just have to add your email address in. And also, we are running a competition. Let me just finish this last chicken. Is that my last one?
Is that the last one? There's one there, there's a wee one there.
Thank you.
Yep.
It's okay, I'll let you do that. So you're just going to put the raw chicken breast in, and you're just going to marinate it in the same. Now, if you saw, we've done a prawn one of these. It's exactly the same, but the prawns we're going for a skewer. Okay, this chicken is just going to be left open. Oh, that's got 2 little ones there. So I sliced right through it by mistake.
And all the marinade all goes in the lovely slices on the top. So it really tenderises the chicken. The yogurt tenderises it. It's a great way to freeze it, and it'll marinade. That's lovely.
Keep talking. 2 minutes, I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay. Well, this is one of my first recipes that I came up with, the Tandoori Masala blend. But we've now got loads of other ones as well. So you can have Tandoori Masala vegetables, all sorts of different things too.
Yeah, and we will try to get you one that is, I'll try to think about one that is also vegetarian. So let me just move this out of the way.
See, that didn't bang my spoon.
Well done. Throw that in the sink. We're jumping back and forth here, but it's quite good. I'm really enjoying having like this wingman. Yes. Make sure you label your bags, guys, okay, so that you know exactly what's in them. So we're going to end up with so I want 4 chicken breasts in each bag.
Okay. That one.
Now we're running a competition, guys, okay, so the competition is going to win you, if you can see here, this summer, Indian summer selection, and you get 3 pieces in it.
So there's 3, a Boona pot, a Goan pot and a Tandoori Masala pot, and there's 12 recipe suggestions on the back there, things that you can do whilst you're camping, on the grill, or even just summer recipes in the house. And we're asking you to come up and tell us what other recipes you like to cook in the summer.
Right, that's just a tiny bit, so let's put it in there. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Right, guys, so you need to just tag a friend, share it, and tell me something that you like to cook for the summer, okay? And you will be in the chance for winning this. Mel, It's been an absolute pleasure.
It's been
We've
fun,
had
really fun.
such fun. It's been great, and I have loved all these. You should smell my kitchen.
Yeah.
The smell of the spices is amazing, and we've got such great new dishes. So make sure that you freeze these flat, okay, on top of each other. Get all the air out of them, and they will be good to go. You can put them as part of your barbecue packs if you want, or you can just have them on a normal day, like we said. So this is Mel from Spice Pots and Suzanne from The Batch Lady. Thanks for watching. You've been great. Bye.
Bye.